What is the best traffic source online? A source that beats every other traffic source, even if you combine them all together. It's Google Search, and it generates more traffic for websites every day than the top 10 social sites combined. Google.com gets over 5.6 billion searches a day. People find what they are looking for and move on immediately to another site. But all social sites are designed never to let their visitor go, keeping them there instead of sending them to your site. That's why if you want success online and you want traffic that results in the most amount of long-term sales and revenue, you want to be on the top of Google. We can't blame you if you've already given up on that goal. It's likely you bought into the bad quality backlinks, rotten PBNs, and terrible black hat strategies peddled by same fake gurus and destroyed your prospects of ever ranking online. That will change today. You'll discover a new spiral, a new process where you will get a real and constructive solution from someone who really does what they preach. Check this out. This is 18,537 unique visitors on one of our sites in just one day. This is the kind of scale we're talking about. Traffic that is life-changing. How would you like to do that for your business? If your answer is yes, you're going to get exactly the help you need to create such a massive traffic machine. Success on Google is not created by working against the algorithm. All those nasty backlinks or black hat shortcuts you take can get you ahead for a week or a month, but they won't keep you there. Google's algorithm is becoming smarter and smarter to weed out anyone who tries to game the system. The only way you can win this battle is by working with Google. And it's easier than you think with this powerful new solution. This is Core SEO, the most powerful SEO optimization app that we built after years of research and months of working. Core SEO takes into account every single Google algorithm update that affects your rankings, including Panda, Penguin, Hummingbird, RankBrain, and now Google Core. No more having to worry about getting your sites de-indexed and penalized. No more worrying about bad rankings and no traffic. With Core SEO, all of these are problems of the past. Just switch it on and analyze any web page to find out exactly what you need to change to go to number one. It can even analyze the backlinks pointing to your site, telling you which ones are low quality so that you can disavow them and remove any toxic effect on your site. Do this regularly to make sure your website is always 100% optimized for Google. What's more, for a limited time, we are giving away the commercial license on Core SEO. It authorizes you to recruit clients and sell optimization as a service. There are literally millions of site owners who badly need this service right now, and you can be the person to sell and profit from it. Act now, claim your Core SEO, and zoom to number one on Google, not just with your pages, but also your clients' pages. Look below to find the full walkthrough of the software and how exactly others have been using this to get tons of free traffic. Even if you're just starting out, Core SEO will get you an unfair advantage over your competition and make Google absolutely love your sites. Grab your Core SEO special deal and start your domination drive today. Your business deserves to capitalize on this powerful growth hacking software right now before your competitors exploit it. And remember, your investment in Core SEO is 100% safe. Core SEO comes with a 30-day 100% refund guarantee. Get it, take it for a spin, optimize some pages, and watch the traffic arrow go up. If you don't get the results that absolutely delight you, just tell our support team within 30 days of your purchase. We will take back Core SEO and refund 100% of your money without any hassles. Don't miss this offer. If you're here, it's very likely you've seen other products from us. You know we only make solid stuff, and we make sure it works well. Get your unfair SEO ranking advantage. Click on the button below and grab your Core SEO right now.